Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another exciting planner video for you. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys aren't tired of planner videos because I promised to get back to a lot of more craft videos, but all the planners right now, guys, all the planners are coming out, all the new planners, so excited. So I have always went with the Erin Condren Life Planner. I have never ordered the Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. And so this year I wanted to try it. I actually ordered this one and I think I'm going to order another one because I think I'm going to use it for something else. But this is what I'm using this year for our budget. You can kind of see all of the new design and everything. This is the kind of the classic design that they came out with this year. This is this year's featured design and I really liked it. I ordered a custom cover for my actual life planner, but I loved this and it goes so well with the book. And I did a video a few months ago where I showed how I was going to use the Michael's Recollections budget planner. And guys, it's June, getting ready, it's almost July, and I have just not liked it at all. Like, at all. There are so many things about the budget planner. I probably should do like a updated review because I thought it was really going to work for me, but it ended up having too much stuff and some strange stuff. And I also really dislike undated planners, and it was undated, and so I don't know. I just couldn't. It was a struggle. And so you guys know how much I love Erin Condren, so I got on and I ordered this one, and I'm like, and now I kind of think that I want to use one for my YouTube. I also use a Michael's planner to plan out my YouTube videos, and it's worked okay, but you guys know that I prefer the Erin Condren, so I don't know what to do, guys, but I absolutely love it, and I want to show you the differences because there are some differences between the Life Planner and the Deluxe Monthly. And there's some specific reasons, why you might want this one and different things. So I can't wait to show it to you guys. Let's take a look. Okay, so first things first, I always forget to mention this in the beginning of videos, but I do have a referral link in the bottom where you can save on your very first planning. Save, I think it's $10 off your first planner, so really good coupon there. But I kind of wanted to, and also this video is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money, so that is that. Okay, so now all of the details out of the way. I wanted to share with you one of the biggest differences is the price. So the Erin Condren Life Planner, I think, starts at... Okay, so I had to double check. So the Life Planner starts, I think, at $55, $60, and I think this one starts at $40. So that's a little bit different. A little bit is going to depend on your different customizations and personalizations. So check the website or whatever for that. But let's talk about basically shipping and things like that. So it comes in your traditional Erin Condren beautiful box that my address is on the top, or I would show it to you. It does come in this beautiful. When you first get it, it will be all pretty like this, and so you'll open it up, and then it has the big bubble wrap, and you do get a couple little cards here. You do not get nearly the amount of like extra little things like you do in the Life Planner, but like in most Erin Condren orders, you do get a postcard and this little gift tag, and also, and I don't have any idea why, but it came with these date dots. So I'm not really sure why they threw this in as like a little freebie gift, because when I first saw those, I was like, oh wait, I thought it said it was dated. And so these are usually sent with planners that are undated, but this is dated. So I am actually really excited to use them because I think that I will take them and mark like on the monthly spreads, you can kind of see right here. But I think that I'm gonna mark like holidays and birthdays, different things like that. And so they are really neat to have. I might order them again in the future, even with the dated calendars. But they come in all the different colors, and the colors coincide with the colors on the monthly tab. So that's really nice. So I'm really excited about this, guys. But I just wanted to let you know in case you see the, date dots on yours or whatever, that it is dated. So the first thing is you do get to choose your cover. You can choose any of the normal Life Planner covers. They are interchangeable. So you just pop them off. and pop them on. I say that, and then it's brand new, so it's a little stiff, but so this is really nice because I kind of think that I didn't put a date on it. I just put Kelly Family Budget. So if I want to use this from year to year for my budget binder, I could order like an extra cover that I could switch out for that year or something like that. So I thought that was kind of neat. When you open it up, the first thing I notice is there's not the vellum page that comes in the life planner. So that is, it doesn't have that. You do still have your dashboard. You still have a place to write your name, things like that. This is the exact same quote that is in the life planner. So that's nice. This is also the same page that you see in your life planner. I've seen this page used for lots of different things, and the monthly deluxe version versus the life planner. A lot of people use this page if they have children or things like that to track like school calendars and stuff, and if they have a traditional life planner. Whereas if you're using this for a budget planner, you could track sinking funds. I think Lincoln with Plan Lincoln uses them for sinking funds. You could use paydays, days off. There's so many things here. I love having this big 2000. It's got the rest of 2019 and then 2020 all on this page. So that's really, really nice. So you turn the page, and this page is also the exact same as in your life planner. So this is a great place to put goals and things. And I also think that you could take, if you wanted to use these for the different months, I'm not actually using, I think that I might actually use this page as like my sinking funds for different things that I'm saving up for, or things like that. If you're confused on what sinking funds are, check out like Dave Ramsey. That's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about sinking funds for our budget. But again, when I get my one for YouTube, I might do video ideas per month or different things like that. I'm not sure, but this is a great page, and you could always cut out the January or whatever and put, if you wanted to do, each of these be like a goal for the month or something like that. Great page. So you turn the page and you get a notes page. So just a blank notes page here. And this is very, very similar, identical to the life planner. You get a notes page and then you start in the actual planner. This is also identical to the newest life planner. This is brand new for this year. They've never put this page in before. I said before that I have mixed feelings about this page. I love it. I love, especially this page, I loved being able to like jot down things. I love the colorfulness of it. This is really neat, although I don't know so much that I could use it because I feel like I put some of that kind of thing in my planner itself. But again, it is a really neat thing to have. This is the only thing I have to complain about, and this is my biggest complaint of the planner for the entire year, from the life planner to this planner to everything, is that the monthly tab no longer opens to the monthly spread. See, hold on, my fingers are. So I've been working on crafts, so you just have to excuse the hands right today. But I love the Erin Condren Monthly Spread. It's my favorite, one of my favorite things about it. I say that a lot. Really, I just love the Erin Condren Life Planner, right, guys? But I loved that the tabs always opened up to the monthly spread, and they don't this year, and that's a really big bummer. Now, Samantha, as a happily housewife, had posted that she's going to actually use for like her glue runner and just do away with this page altogether. And so that's an option. Currently I have mine paper clipped. I don't know what I'm going to do, guys. I just wish that the tab went to the monthly page. Again, it's not something that they've ever done before, and I really hope they change it for next year. But other than that, I think that this page is great. I just wish the tab was over there. Other than that, I love the new addition to this page. But as far as budget binder, this would be a really good place. I mean, this one says birthdays, but you could change it if you want to put something else. But if you did want to put birthdays, you could put things, because that is an expense. But monthly goals, lots of different things. You could put a little checklist or a little chart down here, a little scratch pad things, or goals or a quote or something here, a list. So many things that you could do as far as using this as a budget binder. If you're using it as a content binder for YouTube or social media, also a lot of great things to put here with goals and things. If you're using this for a craft binder, this would be great for your crafting business. You could put your goals, you could put just different things. If you're an MLM, a lot of different ways that you could use this page for, and so it is great. Just put the tabs on the other page. Okay, so my favorite page, I love this. I love the monthly layout of the Erin Condren Life Planner. So many things. And besides, you know, the paper quality and everything, the brightness of it, I love it. I love it. And so it has plenty of room without being too much room. I think that they've always made a really great use of their space. So again, but all of this until this point, with the exception of like the vellum or whatever, has been exactly the same as the Life Planner until the next page. Also, if you want a more in-depth look at the Life Planner this year, see my other video. So then the next page, on the Life Planner, you get 3 choices. You get horizontal, vertical, or hourly layout. And in the Deluxe Monthly, you get note pages. So you get this page, this page, this page, this page, and this, and then technically I think that this one kind of belongs to this one if you see, but in between the pages you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like 5 pages in between the note. So this is super great for making like a budget. You could do like a weekly budget. You have plenty of room to make a weekly budget. You could do different budgets for a whole monthly budget, and then sinking fund budgets, or just planning, or if you're doing content planning, great place for that. If you're doing crafting or MLMs, a great place to just list things. If you don't really need that weekly spread and you just want to use the monthly spread to like mark craft shows, or mark, like if you're an MLM doing like a party date, and then you could write different information for hostesses or different things, or different to-do list or whatever, and I'll show you more in the back. But yes, so many great ideas here. And again, there is no weekly pages. It's just those lined notebook pages, which I love. And then it goes into the next month. And I won't go over all of the months because you've seen them in my other videos or in other videos you've watched. But basically, it's the exact same thing where you get, and then all of the things are kind of color coordinated for that month. So all of these August ones are yellow, and then it'll go into the purple for the September. So let's flip to the back of the book, which is the next biggest change over the Life Planner, and one of the things I absolutely love about the Deluxe Monthly, and that is the notebook pages. Oh my gosh, so it comes with 40 notebook pages, and you can add an additional 40 notebook pages. And I'm going to tell you, I'm actually going to take this apart. No, actually I ordered another one for my YouTube, and I'm going to take it apart, I think, or I don't know, one or the other, right? But I'm going to uncoil one of these, and I'm actually going to take, because I ordered the 18-month planner, and so it's July through the end of December next year. So I'm going to take the extra 6 months that I'm not going to use it, because I know I'm going to order the new planner in next July. I'm going to take the extra 6 months out and put extra notebook pages in it. I know, genius. Love it, love it, love it. So, but I have never uncoiled one. I've seen it done. I know it can be done. Pray for me. I don't know. we're going to try it. But anyway, oh my gosh, having all of these notebook pages, guys, and in the Deluxe Monthly, you get these standard, but you can also add in, like I said, an additional 40 pages, and you can add the line pages, you can add dot grid pages, or you can add the productivity pages. So you have 3 different, so besides the normal line pages, you can add 40 additional pages that are a different style. I actually ordered the productivity pages in the other one that I have coming. So that is going to be fantastic. So much notebook space. And I think that adding the additional pages was only $5. Really, really inexpensive to add more pages to your book. Okay, so when you flip to the very back after all these glamorous notebook pages, like I just oohed and awed about, you do get this sticker sheet. They are not the foil ones that come, we have the little foil like in the standard life planner, but you get 2 of them, so that is awesome. And then that is the only sticker sheets that come with the Deluxe Monthly. But then you do get the same Keep It Together folder, and really nice, and so I'm excited about that. And they did change the pocket this year, which is super nice. And then you get the back dashboard. Okay guys, so that is just a look inside of the Deluxe Monthly. I love this planner. I think it would be great, and I actually think it would be great for just your personal planner, because there have been times where I love my weekly layout, but there are times where I'm busy and I don't really utilize it as much as I do that monthly layout for me. Now, it may be different for you. You may love the weekly layout more, and so you may have to have that. But I'm telling you guys, for the money and the quality, I mean, nothing beats Erin Condren's quality. Like, the coil is so sturdy. The lamination on the covers are absolutely sturdy, and the paper quality, guys, like, you just can't beat Erin Condren paper quality. It's so wonderful. So I really think this is, but if you want a day planner without all of the weekly spreads, or if you're looking for a budget planner, or you're wanting to plan your craft business or MLM or social media, or there are just so many different things that this would come in super handy for. And I'm really excited to try it this year for our budget. I know I'm going to like it better than the one I've been used to, because it's been awful. And anyway, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like the weekly, do you like planner better? Do you like the Deluxe Monthly better? Do you use your weekly layouts a lot, and which kind of version? I went to the hourly. If you haven't seen my other video, check it out. But I went to back to the hourly. I have tried all 3 versions. I loved all 3 of them for different reasons and at different times and different seasons of my life. But right now it made sense to go back to the hourly for my normal planner. But guys, the notes pages in here, guys, I can't get over just how much I love having so many note pages to write things down and having it all in one place. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. Again, let me know in the comments below, like, what is your favorite? What kind of planner are you going with this year? Are you going with the hourly? Are you going with the vertical? Are you going with the horizontal? Are you going with the Deluxe and the monthly? Or are you checking out the portfolios or the new binders? That is the 2 products that I have not tried of the Erin Condren. They're both relatively new. The binder's brand new. Is the portfolios and the binders. I have tried other brands besides Erin Condren, and they just didn't work for me. So I'm not, but when Erin Condren puts a spin on something, I kind of love it too. So. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to check back, because I've got lots more planner videos and craft videos and, of course, Dollar Tree videos coming up. So, bye, guys.